Hello everyone, welcome. We've been working with regular verbs in the present tense in German. In this lesson we are going to work with a new verb, the verb antworten. Antworten. Notice the pronunciation of the W. Antworten. Antworten means to answer, to reply, or to respond. The stress is at the beginning of the word. Antworten. Antworten. So as a reminder, here are the endings for regular verbs in the present tense. Remember, you remove the en or the n to find the root, and then you just add these endings. Antworten is a little bit different, however. There's a rule that if the stem ends in a T or a D, you have to add an E to the ST and the T endings. So just as a little visual shout out here, notice we're going to employ that rule in this lesson. So let's start with the forms. If I want to say I answer or I reply, I respond in German, it is ich antworte, antworte. Notice I put the E ending on the root, Antwort, ich antworte. So here's where the rule will come into play, and just as a reminder, the rule is regular verbs whose stem ends in D or T add an E before the ST or the T ending. So this one here, instead of just adding an ST, I add an EST. Du antwortest. Du antwortest. You answer, you respond, you reply. He answers. Antwortet. Antwortet. She answers. Sie antwortet. You answer. This is the formal you, the singular. Sie antworten. Remember, this can be singular or plural. For the plural forms, we answer. Wir antworten. You answer. This is the ihr. Ihr antwortet. Ihr antwortet. You answer, again with the Sie. This is the plural one. Sie antworten. And finally, they answer with the lowercase s on the Sie. Sie antworten. Sie antworten. Some other examples of the verb antworten, you can say antworten Sie. Answer, respond. Darf ich antworten? May I respond? Antworten Sie mit Ja oder Nein. Answer with yes or no. Die Lehrerin fragt und wir antworten. The teacher asks and we answer. That's it for this lesson and the forms of antworten. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Bis bald.